Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your age on Tinder or how you can hide it. So before we get started, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated from us. So let's get started. So simply start by tapping on the app's icon, go to the Tinder. Here we go. And once you enter inside the application, just click on this profile icon at the top left and just go to the edit info option, scroll down, and at the very last you can see the option of don't show my age. You can turn this on in order to hide your age. So basically on Tinder you cannot actually change your age once you have provided your age during your account creation. If you really want to change your age on Tinder, the only option you have is to delete your account and start over from the beginning. That is, you have to create your account and again add your date of birth from the beginning. So in order to delete your account, go back and go to the settings, and here you can see, scroll down and you can see the option of delete account option at the very last. Just tap on this delete account option and go through the process in order to delete, and simply sign up to the account again and recreate the account in order to change your age. So hope this video was useful for you, and before you go, please like this video as well. Thank you for watching.